Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make bridal ace gele. Measurement is 80-20 and you're going to make 4 pleats as your base. You place in front of your head. As you can see clearly, after that you cross. Then you take 1 pleat first, ensure it's equal. You take 1 pleat first and send it all the way to the back and pin, or you give it to your client to hold for you before you complete it with the remaining 3. That's making it 4 pleats. This is the reason why I'm making do with the voiceover, so that you understand instead of the text, because as a beginner you have to ensure that the pleats you're sending to the back is complete. If you take 4 pleats as you're starting, by the time you get to the middle of the head you must have lost 1 or 2 pleats. So to avoid that, you take 1 pleat first and send it all the way to the back and pin. As you can see, then you complete it with the remaining 3. That way you're not going to lose any pleats. Watch carefully. After that, we begin to make our ace. You take your pleats from up to down. Watch, you're going to see how it's going to come out. And ensure when you're taking it from up to down, when you're arranging it, ensure that the middle is bigger than the sides, so that you'll be able to get materials or fabrics for your fan. As you can see, the middle is bigger than the sides, so ensure you do that also. After that, you start making your fan with the remaining fabric. Then you move over to the other side and do the same thing. Repeat the same process. When you want to twist and secure your fans, ensure you twist out towards you, not inwards. If not, you're going to spoil it. Just watch. Twist and pin properly and neatly. The main purpose of this video is to enable beginners make ace gele. So instead of you to just rush and make the 4 pleats, like I said earlier, ensure you pick one pleat first, pin, then pick the complete one before you go on with your ace gele, so that you don't lose any pleat, and to ensure that your gele comes out nice. Ensure you make finishing touches. Do finishing touches on your gele. You don't just have to leave your gele like that and go. Ensure your gele is properly pleated and neat. Don't you like this? Fine and neat. When you do this on your client is going to thank you. Ensure you take your time when making your gele, and also do not miss doing your finishing touches. It's part of the process. Voila, this is the finished look. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.